although there is so much information out there, there's YouTube University. If information were everything anyone needed, then everybody would be rich. But the truth is, people pay for it.
So we're talking about digital products, digital services. What is it? How do we leverage that? How can the common, guy or girl listening to the podcast really tap into the power that is a digital product?
Absolutely. So like you said, it came to me because, I teach credit. Everyone knows we do funding. We funded a lot of money, help people. And, when I said we're going to help you start, grow, and scale your business, I really mean that. So what happened was a lot of my students that were coming to me, they were getting funding, and they were like, well, what's next? Or people started asking me, hey, I see you do the classes. I see you coaching. I want to create my coaching program, or I want to sell my eBooks. Or how do I get more leads? So it turned into, how I think, we all think the same. Wherever there's a lot of questions.
Oh, really? We make it awkward.
We're making it awkward. And I figured for being super transparent with the people, as much funding is really was the thing that changed my life because it gave me the foundation. But if I was being super transparent with the people, the way we made a lot of our money is through digital products and services. So, it is, wherever there's been asked a lot of questions, I said, okay, let me start teaching this thing. So I decided to really come this season. I really wanted to help people really be able to package their knowledge because I believe everyone has a gift. Yeah, everyone has some skill set. It doesn't even have to necessarily be a business. If you get a common question like, how you stay in shape? How you dress so well on a budget? Those are all things that you can create and package through eBooks, courses, coaching programs, consultation. It's IP. It's intellectual property. Yeah. Absolutely. So we're the season managers, really helping people. We want to impact a lot of lives. There's a lot of money to be made, not a whole lot of overhead. So that's really the goal.
So what do you say to those that be like, man, digital products, man, how can I tell somebody some information that's already there? You know what I'm saying? Like, what do you say to those people?
I say, think of it like this, right? You can go buy your own house. If you got good credit, decent credit, you can go get your own house, but you still hire a realtor, right? So although there is so much information out there, there's YouTube University. If information were everything anyone needed, then everybody would be rich. But the truth is, people pay for organized information from A to Z, right? From a blueprint. They pay for information from someone who's done the thing already. A lot of times, people on YouTube can regurgitate. I'm not saying everyone is, but they can't. But when you come across someone's content, you see they're giving value. You see testimonials, social proof, right? You're going to collapse time when you get the information from someone who's already done it, right? Yeah. Like, for example, I've done a lot more in the last 18 months than I had in the last 18 years. Crazy. Because what I don't know, I don't know. The people around me, they don't know it. If I want to start a podcast, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to come see you, who's already has thousands of reps, already monetizing, rather than try to do it on myself, trip over my feet 50,000 times. By the time I do get on, if ever, it's going to take me 15, 20 years when I could have got it in 15 months. Let's say you got a course. Say you have a course. It's a digital product. It's $9.97. Let's say you just got 100 people to show up to your webinar. 100 people, right? You could do that organically. You could do that with a few shout out pages. You can spend a little bit on some Facebook ads. Let's say you got 100 people in the room. All right. At $9.97, let's say you only convert 5%. So we're talking about now 5 people will pay you $9.97. $5,000 an hour. Where else can you do that? Hold on. I know where else you can do it. Nowhere. Yeah, exactly. And that's the power of digital products. And the reason I love this business outside of the money is the impact that you have on people, right? If you give a person a fish, they eat now. If you teach a person how to fish, they truly eat for a lifetime. And that's my favorite part about the business. Like, now I have students who are now teaching. I got students who are now making money online, impacting others. I got people who are running their own funding companies, bringing in $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month. And that's the thing that makes me like this is lit. This is what it's about. It's about a value.
What are the different traffic sources that one could tap into, whether they got bread or they don't got bread, to help, generate traffic so they can sell these digital products?
Absolutely. So first is organic. We got to be organic. You got to, again, that's how you're building, right?
So organic is just like you making videos and you just putting them out.
Right. The reason why is because this is going to allow you to see what's working and what doesn't work. So before you go run a Facebook ad or put this on a shout out page or put this on someone else's page, I want to see how this performs organically, right?